In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in MT4. Now to do this, you want to open a new order. So I'm going to go to the top here and click on new order. You could also use any of the other methods to actually pull up this order window. And then from here, you can see the symbol and the volume. And below these, you can see stop loss and take profit. Now you could go ahead and basically set it manually by using these arrows over here like this, or you could just type it in manually as well. So I could do like, for example, 50 or whatever, and that's going to work. You can then put a comment on if you wanna, a order type, and then you can sell or buy, okay? So that's how to set a stop loss and take profit if you are doing a new order. However, if you have an order already, like this, for example, you could go and just double click on an open order position, and over here you can just modify your order to, for example, market execution, and you can then add a stop loss or take profit and do it from here as well, okay? So that's how to set a stop loss or SL and take profit, or of course TP, in MetaTrader 4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.